Hi everyone, Phil from Tech for Techs here. Today we're going to be looking at this. It is from EasyAcc. It is a desk fan. It's a USB desk fan, so that means you plug it into something like a PC, laptop, or some form of USB outlet. You could even plug it into something like a portable battery if you want to make it a bit more portable. But the basics is they do a 4, 5, 6 and 8-inch model, and they've got the bronze colour, which is this one, as well as black, and the prices range from roughly £13 up to around about £21, £22 depending on your size and colour. Okay, let's have a real quick look at the box because there isn't much to it. It's a brown box, white writing on it. You've got the logo there. USB mini fan, it says on the side, on the bottom. There's nothing on the bottom, nothing on the side. On the top it just says make it easy. And on the back you do have a little bit of writing. It says product features, it says eco-friendly design, low power consumption, brushless motor, and so forth, compact 4-inch size, and you've got a sturdy mesh cover on there as well, so you can see all that information there if you wish, but otherwise pretty basic. Okay, inside the box you've got 3 items. You've got a little piece of paper saying are you satisfied, unsatisfied, with an email address if you've got any problems, as well as Facebook page information on there if you want to like it and so forth, so pretty straightforward. This is sort of your quick start guide, so you've got it in there. It tells you bits of information just to show you. So you can see in there, it basically says it is 5 volt, 2.5 watts, it's USB. The actual size is 145, I'm presuming that's millimetres, by 85 by 145 millimetres in inches. That's 5.71 by 3.35 by 5.71. So it gives you an idea. It also tells you how to use it, but to be honest, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, let's have a look at the fan itself. Let's start off with the cable. It's not braided, but it is rubberised. You've got USB connection on the end, pretty standard A connection, so it'll plug into any standard USB port to power it. Comes with cable tidy on and so forth. You can see the fan itself. The blades there are see-through plastic, so that's pretty good. There's 3 blades on it. The case is all metal. The whole thing's metal apart from those fans and obviously the cable. The back, you've got a rocker switch, so speed 1, 0, which is off, and speed 2 if you want to adjust it. You've got 3 little rubber socks on the bottom, which will help it grip onto the surface, which, yeah, it does a pretty good job at that, so it's not going to be sliding around, and that'll also help with vibrations and stuff like that, which is also a bonus. It is fully swivel, so it will swivel all the way around if you wanted it to. I can't see why you'd want to point it downwards, but if you've got it on a high shelf, I suppose you could, and so forth. You can't twist it, but obviously you just move it around if you want to. So it's just up and down, and it's a 360-degree design. To get it to work, we'll just undo the cable. There we go, and I'll just plug it into my laptop, which I've got the side. As you can see, it's on there. That's on high speed at the moment. And then you've got speed 0, and then speed 1. Feels like actually quite a good breeze for the size of the fan, even on the lower setting. On the first setting, it is audible, but it isn't annoying like you get with a lot of fans, especially the bigger ones, which can be very noisy and give you a bit of a whooshing noise. Faster, it's a bit louder, yeah, but again, I wouldn't say it was that annoying or anything like that. It sounds pretty good. It doesn't sound whiny. It's just the airflow you're hearing. So otherwise, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to do an extremely scientific test now, which involves smoke. which is really not that scientific. But basically, we've got some joss sticks here which produce smoke. It's more of an incense thing, but it's a good thing to show you the airflow. And as you can see on there, you can see the smoke. Obviously, the fan's off at the moment, so it isn't actually doing much. But when you actually turn it on to the lowest setting, you can see straight away how powerful that is. That is blowing the smoke away pretty well, and even the ash off of the actual joss sticks. So that's pretty good. So again, that is sucking that air in. If I get close, you can see how it's sucking it in, which is actually pretty good. And that's the lowest setting. If we put it on the highest setting, even better. That thing's sucking that smoke in pretty well. So that's showing you that the airflow is pretty good, and you can see the ash flying off of that thing. So this is a very powerful fan, considering the price and the size. I'm actually very surprised.